it's Shannon from Creative Chaos in Tennessee, and today we are back with another organization video. So today we are going to tackle wood veneer and washi tape, which hopefully you have already decluttered and cleaned out, so you only have the pieces you love left. And I am going to show you guys a couple different ways to organize. I have shown before, I organize mine in my washi tape in a Keurig K-Pod holder, and it works really well. I picked it up at a thrift store on the cheap, and I honestly didn't even know that's what it was for, and actually one of y'all told me that it was a K-Pod holder. So there's lots of different ways. You don't have to have fancy things to organize. And I know I've said that before. And we all don't organize the same way. Depending on what type of bug you are, if you take the Clutter Bug quiz, you can find out and organize better for the way your brain thinks of things. Do you like seeing all your things? Do you like it hidden away but labeled? Those things are helpful when organizing so that it works for you. So, we have been playing along with this organization bingo that I created. It is available over in my Facebook group. You can print it off over there, or I can email it to you if you're not on Facebook, and all those details are in the description below. And, we have already tackled quite a bit of things on here. So we've done pens, markers, pencils, markers. I do that every time I say pens, markers. Pens, pencils, and markers, paper, photos, like the floss, ribbon, twine, yarn, fabric, all those kind of fall in the same category. Beads, sequins, glitter, and then, like I said, today we're going to do washi and wood veneer. Now, whenever it comes to organizing these things, they're small. So we need to kind of organize to organize. So I'm going to show you guys a couple different ways that you can organize these things on the cheap. So, like I said, I already store mine in my washi in the K-Pod holder, which is a great way. You can do the same thing with a drawer. I saw a lot of y'all use the acrylic drawers to take and organize them so that you can still see them. You could totally do a different drawer system that you don't see if you don't want to, see through it to make it look cluttered. You could totally do that also. And I'm going to show y'all, I'm going to flip the camera and show y'all a couple other ways that you can organize. But before I do that, my wood veneer, y'all have saw, I have them organized in these little containers from Harbor Freight, and these have worked great for me to see what I have. And of course I took my label maker and labeled it. And I saw yesterday that they actually have these same containers at the Dollar Tree for $1.25. And I think they are like exact. I know I paid less than $2 a piece for them because they're sewed individually and they interlock with each other. I know I paid less than $2 at Harbor Freight for them, but I don't know if it was cheaper than $1.25. I don't remember. It's been, I know, over a year since I organized it like that. So, and then I just took my label maker and put it on there. Now, there's lots of other ways that you could organize wood veneer that does not require you to go out and buy containers. You can totally repurpose what you have. So, I'm going to flip the camera and I'm going to show you guys a few different ways that you can organize your washi and your wood veneer for the space that you have and with things that you have around your house. Okay, so here is a couple of different options that I wanted to show you guys. I picked both of these up. I left the labels on them so you could see. These are from the Dollar Tree, both of these containers. This one is in the hardware section of Dollar Tree, and this one is in the craft section. So, if you watched my video yesterday, you kind of seen that there is a lot of different container options at Dollar Tree. And it's definitely worth checking out. They have really upped their game with stuff. But I wanted to show y'all. Let's just start with wood veneer first. So, I got this at Dollar Tree, and this is an option if you don't have a lot. And, of course, they sell these at Walmart, Hobby Lobby, Harbor Freight, 1,000,001 places everywhere. And this one is from, like I said, the Dollar Tree from the craft section. And this one has dividers. So, if you needed a space bigger, you could do that. This also fits your washi. And, like, the rolls will fit in it also. So, it's perfect depth. So, this is a great way to organize if you don't have a lot of things or if you have different sized pieces. And my other thought was, and now I've done got it stuck. My other thought was that this would be great for a crop. So if you wanted to take a few wood veneers, a roll or two of washi, maybe some of your bling or enamel dots or something like that, this would be perfect to contain a bunch of little random embellishments, and then you could just carry this and voila, you have all of your things. So I was just thinking of that whenever I was doing this. So this is a good option, and it's cheap. And then you can always do old-fashioned. Repurpose a box, a bin, a basket, whatever. You could always organize by Ziploc baggie if you needed to. I've done mine. This is how it used to be. But you can put it in here and just fix it so that you can just flip through what you have. And then, of course, this could just go on a shelf, or it could sit out on your table or whatever, depending on your style and how you like to work. So, that's another option. And then, this for washi tape, like I said, there's the acrylic drawers that you could use so that it's all pretty. I got mine on Amazon, and they're not super cheap. They are an investment, but I don't store my washi in it. I actually store embellishments, and I need to rethink how I'm storing. I also store like my enamel dots, my bling, all those things in the acrylic drawers. But this was in the hardware section, and this one fits washi perfect. You can totally, Pip, what do you want? Sorry y'all, Pip thinks he needs to be invited to everything. He likes washi tape. He digs it out of my little drawer over there. But these fits perfect in here, and you could actually fit a lot. You probably couldn't fit one. This one is, can you move? You're blocking my light, man. This one's a little bit more shallow. Let me close it. For some reason, I don't know, but this one is more shallow, and you could totally put wood veneer in this also and have different spaces for bigger pieces or whatever. But I think this one works really good, and it could hold a lot of washi. You could do the same thing for crops, where you pack a bunch of your different little things. And I don't know if a tape runner would fit in this or not, but you might could even fit your tape runner. My scissors would almost fit. They're a little bit too long. But you could fit lots of things in here, so that's a good crop option also. Excuse me, sir, that's mine. See, this is what he does. He put his paws in and he'll grab stuff. Nobody ever believes me. Give me my tape. Alright, so thank you guys so much for hanging out with me. I hope that you are inspired and that this gives you some ideas. You're not stealing my tape. Stop. I hope this gives you some ideas on how to organize your own washi tape and wood veneer that you have. You could use the same method for anything else that's small, like your bling, your enamel dots, all those things, and separate them by color. He is trying his best to get in it. Pip, stop. Alright, so thank you guys so much for hanging out with me, and until next time, bye y'all. You gonna tell him bye, Pip? Pip, hey, tell him bye. He's rubbing the camera stand. Alright, bye y'all.